Hello guys! This video is different from all other videos on my YouTube channel because in this video I won't paint on the mannequin, but I will paint on the leaf model. So you can ask me, why do you paint on the leaf model? My answer is I love to challenge myself, and it's quite a challenge because mannequin can wait as long as you want, but model can't wait, and you have maximum 2 hours to show the best of yourself, to complete your artwork, and you don't have a right for mistake. So painting on the leaf model is so exciting, but at the same time it is so fun because you meet with your model, you chat with her while you're painting, she watches the process, sees the result. Watch how it was. We met with my model at the cafe in the early hours, and I will paint the sweatshirt she is wearing. I want to create an animal sweatshirt, so I decided to paint the Black Panther on it. The most exciting moment is the beginning of painting because I will paint freehand and I don't have any right for mistake. So I was so excited and I was telling to myself, don't worry, everything will be fine, trust to yourself, trust to your artistic skills, and everything went fine. The painting is finished and it looks like my model is happy with her Black Panther sweatshirt. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this. Also, don't forget to press the like button. If you are interested in hand-painted clothing, you can find many unique clothes in my Etsy shop. Also, if you have any questions, write to me. See you, bye bye.